Hi, I'm Rich Close, and today's iPhone tutorial is how to quickly change the font size using Control Center. Please make sure to click the link and subscribe to my YouTube channel and visit richclose.com. Okay, Control Center. Grab the bottom of our screen. I have an older phone. If you have a newer phone, you grab the top right corner and pull down. And you should have an item on your screen that looks like two letters, a small a and a big A. Simply click that, and it will show you your text size and how big do you want to have it. You can choose whether to do this only for the home screen to make it easier to read on your home screen, or in all supported apps have larger text. And you simply slide the bar up and it will make your text larger and larger as you go up, right? Or slide it down, and for me I found that 110% is about right based on what I need for my vision. So pretty straightforward. Well, let's just say that you don't have this control shown in Control Center. You go to the Settings menu and scroll to Control Center. Here it is here. Select Control Center. And in my case, I have text size right in one of my active controls. That's why there's a minus sign. So included controls in Control Center. I'm going to just turn it off and remove it. And then you can see text size actually shows up now in my more controls to add. Simply click the plus button. It's added to your included controls, and you can then drag the three bars to where you want to see that in your menu. So in this case, I put it right before the magnifier. So let's just open up Control Center and you'll see what I mean by that. So here's the magnifier, and then here's my font size. So you can drag the different controls around for the order that you want. Thank you for watching my videos. Please click the link to subscribe to my YouTube channel and visit my website where you can find more iPhone tutorials and a link to my iPhone seminar.